In this video, we explain how the borrow and deposit ratio influence the direction and risk of your position in DeFi Tuna. These two settings are key in determining if your position is long, short, or delta neutral. Borrow ratio shows you the amount you are borrowing represented in percentages. If you want to go full short, we borrow mostly in SOL so that in case the price of SOL goes down, we repay it at a lower price. So if you want to go full long, we borrow mostly USDC and benefit if the price goes up. For delta neutral position, we borrow slightly more into SOL so that we keep the position type in neutral position. The deposit ratio shows us the total position size. If we want to go full short, we convert the borrowed SOL to USDC by moving the upper range closer or at the current price. If we want to go full long, we convert the borrowed USDC to SOL by moving the lower range closer or at the current price. If you want to use delta neutral, we can keep the range centered on the current price. These ratios will shape your profitability depending on the directional bias you are targeting. However, they do not affect the amount of fees you generate. The fees depend on leverage and the width of your range. The ratio only impacts movements in the collateral value. To optimize this strategy, you must align your final deposit ratio with your directional bias.